So in today's video, a bit of tinkering. It's been a little while since I've actually done something to the van because of the awful weather, although we haven't had as much snow as the UK, but it's been pretty cold this last week. It's been sort of -6 and more. So today it's actually feeling a little bit warmer. So today I'm going to look at the battery. This morning it's Monday morning, it's about 10 o'clock I think, 10:30, and I put the battery on charge at, I think it was Saturday afternoon. I can't remember what time it was, but anyway, we wanted to go out in Mega Breadvan, just go for a walk, and the battery was a little bit flat. Basically, let's take those off. We've had it on charge for a bit. But unfortunately, obviously, the cold weather hasn't been too kind, and I don't really know exactly how old it is, or if it was just a battery they're lying about and they stuck in it to sell me the van. So the idea is that I end up replacing it with something else, and that's what this video is about actually. First of all, excuse the shaky camera. I've just bought a new phone. It's a Samsung M31, which I hope will replace my rather temperamental Nikon A900, which kept going out of focus and switching itself off. So you have to let me know in the comments if you think this Samsung A31 is cutting the mustard and it's doing its job. It was my birthday last month. For my birthday, I had a contribution towards a new battery for my van, for Mega Breadvan. So if anyone out there can suggest a suitable battery that doesn't sort of conk out as soon as it gets below zero, then please leave a comment below the video. In fact, I'm not too sure whether I could actually go for a lithium battery for a motorbike rather than actually having a sort of basic traditional car battery. You have to bear in mind this van is what we call a quadricycle, so a quadricycle I suppose in English. So it's akin to a motorbike because it's only got a 400cc engine, and it's pretty basic really. So anything you could suggest for a long life battery, then leave me a comment please, and I'll be happy to hear from you. So anyway, this is going to be it for the tinkering video because I need to source a battery. So this could be part one, and part two will come when eventually I get a battery. But I've got other things sort of like in the fire to think about concerning the van. So there'll be more films coming along. I don't know how quickly there will be. You know, I've got some ideas, and I'll carry on with those in due course. You may have noticed that on the channel there's some short videos and some webcam videos that are taken, dashcam videos that were taken with my new dashcam. Always happy to hear about what people think, apart from saying the obvious that the video is too short, because I've got a playlist for short videos less than 4 minutes now, and a playlist for the dashcam videos. So I just thought it might add a bit of variety to the usual waffly type things like I'm sort of doing now. So let me know what you think. I'm always happy to hear some feedback. That's it for this video, I'm afraid. So part two will come along at some point, and some other things will come along concerning the van. So take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, because I know that UK is in lockdown at the moment. We're not. We've got a curfew. That's a long subject to talk about, and I don't want to talk about it at the moment. But the main thing is stay safe, and hopefully see you next time. See you for now. Bye.